All right, here we go. Take 6 or 7. I'm going to do a quick overview of Funnl. I know that it's confusing, so I'm going to go over some of the features and why I think that it's extremely valuable for both the consumer and our partners. So here we are on the Funnl homepage. The Funnl homepage is really broken down into two sections. We got the top part, which is our directory, and the bottom part is our digital magazine. In the directory, there's really 32 services, and we consider these the core services in each city. We're still actually getting this dialed in. Things like health insurance, home insurance, family doctor. We're going to replace those with pool service, security systems, painters, things like that. We're really focusing on the services that are on site services, not really places you go in and deal with them. Although of course, there are some that we recognize as being core services. Not that any are more important than others. It's just not really what we're focused on. All right, so each of the listings is broken down into three parts. You click on the icon, and the icon updates what showed up on the digital magazine section. Now, the digital magazine is actually retrieving articles from the landing page itself, and we call these landing pages city funnels. So when you go to a specific landing page, let's say you needed a roofer, you click on the roofer city funnel link. That brings you to this page. You start with our form, and you uh, click what service you're interested in, you need done, then you fill out your data, and then submit, and then there'll be a message box. You can put even more specific information about the problem you're having. The really awesome part of Funnl is how we've integrated a chat interface into each of our 32 landing pages, and we staff this so our partners are not required to be there to uh, offer customer service to the public. We actually will have a staff member available 10 to 12 hours a day during normal working hours to administer this chat. And we go off a script, so we know all the basic information like rate, you know, we do scheduling work. So we really automate the process of the back end. So our partners can focus on just doing the work. Okay, so the top part of the landing page is dedicated to collecting user data and problem. The bottom part is like I was talking about. This is the blog. So the blog we update once a month with relevant content that's specific to the industry, and also try to do stuff specific to the city. So these blogs actually feed back to this digital magazine. You can see some of the articles are actually corresponding, like this one and this one, and then they get more generic the farther down you go. And all these blogs are coming from one of these pages, and we've actually got a sophisticated algorithm. It's complicated to me. I don't understand exactly how it works, but it pulls blog articles that are the most popular and feeds that to our digital magazine. So each of our listings also has there's a whole back end part of Funnl, and that's a community social network. So if you click on this part of the drop down right here, it actually takes the user to our community intranet portal, which is where journalists can collaborate on content, writing blog articles. So we'll go back here, and then I'll click on this blog just to give you an example. So each of the blogs have 4 advertisement spots, and I'll contact local event planners and people like casinos or the aquarium here in Biloxi, could run their advertisement in these spots, and we're actually going to split the profit 50-50 with the writers. So, say a journalist writes a really awesome blog and it gets a lot of traffic, and these um, different advertising spots, they get a lot of people. They get a lot of, what's the word? I can't remember the word, but it's when blog articles are seen by a bunch of different people, and it's the way that Google and all of the major profit makers from advertisements, it's the way they calculate value. Wish I could remember, but anyway, so back here is a very comprehensive community portal where teams can collaborate on articles, and then we'll work with them to upload those to each landing page, where in turn they feed back to the Funnl homepage here. Another thing that we're really working hard on is our SEO. So, you know, there's really two parts to promoting your business. You can either rank high in search results, which we'll check Roofer Biloxi, and we've got the top spot for Roofer Biloxi. And when we get a partner, we'll actually change out the logo to represent their company logo. And you know, it's easy to access, so a visitor will come here and they're looking for a particular service, and they click the link and it takes them to the home page, and they fill out this form, and then there'll be a representative contact them after they fill it out, or they can use the chat like I was saying to get information like prices and stuff really quick. And I'm very, very, very big on customer service. I think that's what's going to separate us from all the other marketing agencies and all the other directories like Angie's List and stuff. So I guess that's really the quick and dirty of it. I think there, of course, there's a lot more to it, but that's a good overview, and it explains how I intend on bringing exceptional value to our partners, because we only promote one of each business here instead of like other directories. They promote dozens of each, which is a more profitable business model, but it's not the best for the end consumer, and it's absolutely not the best for our partner. So I guess that's it. God bless and stay safe.